Hello, today I'm going to describe my mechanics on my level design that I plan on submitting for Full Sail University. This is a prototype level which does not include all the walls and other objects that will be scattered throughout the stage. My mechanics are a push button that requires the player to get close and press the E button, which serves as gates throughout the stage. Additionally, I have included a lift mechanic that allows players to reach different areas and collect different items or reach different heights on the stage. I've also included collectibles, six total, located throughout the stage. There is automatic doors that trigger once the player gets close and hits a trigger box. And finally, there are blocking doors that serve as valves that closes off certain areas once the player gets so far throughout the stage. To interact with most of my mechanics, the player needs to be close to the buttons and press E, and that will trigger an animation that I made with a timeline. And additionally, I added a 2D sound effect to all the automatic doors. Additionally, when you come in contact with the lift, it will let the player know that you press E to go up and F to lower the lift. As I mentioned earlier, players will have to use the lift to reach different areas of the game. Additionally, I would like to add boxes throughout the stage since it is a factory that impede players' movement and have them have to solve small box puzzles. So here is actual layout of my prototype of my stage. I'm going to start playing. This is where the player starts. I have a small box collision and a print message located here that lets you know to explore the factory, reach the loading bay, collect six scraps, and how to move the character around. This is one of my doors. You cannot walk through the door, but if you press E, the door opens. The example of one of my automatic doors. Once you get close enough to the door, it will open. This room here has a collectible in it. You would collect that. This is an example of a lift that will be outside of an AC unit. Once you're on this lift, press E to raise up the lift. That will give you access to that. If you press F, give it some time, and the lift will lower. If you choose to explore the garage, which is marked here, you can go inside the garage, and there will be a door here. So with this door, you can either open it from this side, or from the main hallway, you can open it from this side. On the side of the garage, there will be a lift here, which will give you roof access. That door will be locked, and you cannot enter it. Press F, give it some time, and the lift will lower. That's a collectible that's inside the garage. There's a collectible inside of the bathroom. And this is the first area where you see a black towel, which acts as a gate. Acts as a valve, which blocks off the player after they pass this hallway at a certain point. That's why it says one-way travel. The player can no longer explore the beginning part of the factory. They can go through the conference room, which has automatic doors. Oh, they can't go this way though. So to get back to where the generator in the HVAC unit is, the player will need to transverse through here, go through the exit door, and there will be a path that leads here that will let the player get back to the beginning of the stage. There is a point of no return in the game, so if you don't collect all this stuff here in the beginning, the point of no return is located on the other side of this door, which is where the docks are. Ideally, you would run around and go through that door, and then that door would block your progress so you can no longer go to the beginning section of the stage. You would have to take this left, and then from the operations room, hit that button there, and then this big bay door would open. Once you go through the big bay door, you would hit a collision box that would make the last bow door pop open or appear. You would collect your last collectible, and that's collectible 6 of 6. So again, to recap, my mechanics are push buttons that activate doors, lifts that allow the player to go up and down and collect different items or reach different heights, 6 collectible items, automatic doors that serve as valves, collision boxes, sound cues, all made by converting sound files and changing the timeline of where they are active. Hope you enjoyed the prototype of my level, and the final build will have a lot more details. Thank you.